Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how I make Dalgona Mocha. Here are the ingredients. First, I will measure the dark cocoa powder. I need 30 grams. Then I will mix it with condensed candy that I made few days ago to make dark chocolate candy or dark chocolate spread. Now I will measure the coffee. I need 4 teaspoon to 5 teaspoon of Nescafe decaf because I can't drink coffee. It needs to be decaffeinated. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of fresh milk to dilute the coffee. Now it's time to add the chocolate candy or chocolate spread that I made, at least 1 to 2 teaspoons. Now I will add 250 ml of Nestle all-purpose cream. I want to add 1 more teaspoon of Nescafe decaf. This is the 5th teaspoon. Now I will whip it using the electric whisk. Here is the glass. I will put some ice in it and pour the fresh milk, at least half of the glass. that's how I made Dalgona Mocha. Thank you so much for watching.